Born in Mecca in 555 AD,
خديجة بنت خويلد
الله عنها, known for her beauty, intelligence, and business acumen, was a member of the wealthy and influential Quraysh tribe. She became a successful businesswoman at the age of 25. She hired Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to lead a caravan to Syria for her business. Impressed with his honesty and integrity, she proposed marriage to him, despite the fact that he was 15 years younger than her. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ accepted her proposal, and they were married for 25 years until her death in 619 AD. During their marriage, she supported the Holy Prophet, both emotionally and financially. She was the first person to believe in his prophethood and provided him with comfort and reassurance during difficult times. She was also the mother of the Holy Prophet's children, although all of them except for Fatima passed away during her lifetime. She was known for her piety and devotion to Islam, and she played a key role in supporting the early Muslim community. Born in Mecca in the 6th century,
ذوجة بنت زمة
عنها was a member of the Banu Amir tribe.
ذوجة
Was married to a man who was older than her, and when he passed away, she became a widow. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ married
ذوجة بنت زمة
in the year 620 AD, after the death of his first wife
خديجة
عنها.
ذوجة
عنha was known for her kind and gentle nature and was respected by the early Muslim community for her piety and good deeds. She played an important role in supporting the early Muslim community, particularly the women, visiting the sick and offering food to the needy. She also participated in the early battles of Islam and supported her husband in spreading the message of Islam.
ذوجة
عنha passed away in Medina in the year 674 AD, at the age of around 70. She is remembered for her piety, kindness, and devotion to Islam, and her role in supporting the early Muslim community. Born in Mecca in the year 613 AD, Aisha bint Abu Bakr عنها was the daughter of Abu Bakr عنه, one of the Prophet's ﷺ closest companions and the first caliph of Islam. Known for her intelligence, wit, and strong personality, Aisha عنها was well educated and had a deep understanding of Islam. She was married to the Holy Prophet in the year 623 AD and played an important role in the development of Islam. She was a skilled scholar and teacher, and her knowledge and opinions were sought after by many of the early Muslims. She was known for her strong memory and her ability to recall the words and actions of the Holy Prophet in great detail. As a result, many of the hadiths or sayings of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ have been transmitted through her. After the death of the Holy Prophet, Aisha عنها continued to play an important role in the Muslim community. She continued to teach and advise others, and many of her teachings and opinions are still studied and followed by Muslims today. She passed away in Medina in the year 678 AD, at the age of around 64. She is remembered as one of the most influential women in Islamic history, and her legacy continues to inspire and guide Muslims around the world. Born in Mecca in the year 605 AD, Hafsa bint Umar عنها was the daughter of Umar ibn al-Khattab anhu, who later became the second caliph of Islam. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ married Hafsa anha in the year 625 AD, after the Battle of Uhud, while she was a widowed. She was known for her piety and devotion to Islam. She was also an educated woman and had a deep understanding of the Quran and Islamic teachings. She was one of the few women who memorized the entire Quran during the time of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Hafsa anha played an important role in the early Muslim community. She was known for her strict adherence to Islamic principles and her willingness to speak out against those who deviated from them. She was also known for her strong personality and her ability to stand up for her beliefs. During the time of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, Hafsa anha was responsible for keeping a copy of the Quran, and after his death, she passed it on to the third caliph, Uthman ibn Affan radhiyallahu anhu, who used it as the basis for the standardized version of the Quran that is used today. She passed away in Medina in the year 665 AD, at the age of around 60. She is remembered as a pious and knowledgeable woman who played an important role in the development and preservation of Islam. Born in Medina in the year 595 AD,
Zainab bint Khuzaymah
radhiyallahu anha, was a member of the Banu Hilal tribe. She was previously married but her husband passed away, leaving her a widow. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam married her in the year 626 AD, shortly after the Battle of Badr. During her marriage to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Zainab radhiyallahu anha spent much of her time caring for the sick and the poor. She was known for her charitable works and her willingness to help those in need. She passed away in Medina in the year 627 AD, at the age of around 32. She is remembered as a pious and charitable woman who dedicated her life to serving Allah and helping those in need. Born in Mecca in the year 596 AD, Salama bint Abi radhiyallahu anha, was a member of the Banu Makhzum tribe. She was previously married but her husband passed away, leaving her a widow with a young child. She later married Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the year 626 AD, after the Battle of Uhud. Salama radhiyallahu anha was known for her intelligence, wisdom, and strong personality. She was an educated woman, having a deep understanding of Islam. She was respected for her knowledge of Hadiths and was known to have narrated many of them. During her marriage to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Salama radhiyallahu anha played an important role in the development of Islam. She was known for her political acumen and her ability to negotiate and mediate disputes among the early Muslims. After the death of the Holy Prophet, Salama radhiyallahu anha continued to play an important role in the Muslim community. She was known for her leadership and her commitment to the principles of Islam. She was also known for her generosity to the poor and her support for charitable causes. She passed away in Medina in the year 644 AD, at the age of around 48. She is remembered as a pious and intelligent woman who played an important role in the development and preservation of Islam. Born in Mecca in the year 590 AD, Zainab bint Jahash radhiyallahu anha was the daughter of Jahash ibn Riyab, who was brother of the Holy Prophet's wife, Habiba radhiyallahu anha. She was previously married to Zayd ibn Harsa radhiyallahu anhu, who was an adopted son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, the marriage did not work out and they divorced. After the divorce, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received a revelation from Allah that he should marry Zainab radhiyallahu anha. During her marriage to the Holy Prophet, Zainab radhiyallahu anha played an important role in the Muslim community. She was known for her piety and her commitment to the principles of Islam. She was also known for her generosity to the poor and her support for charitable causes. She passed away in Medina in the year 641 AD, at the age of around 51. She is remembered as a pious and courageous woman who played an important role in the development and preservation of Islam. Born in the year 608 AD, Juwayriya bint Harith radhiyallahu anha was from the tribe of Banu Mustalik that was known for its hostility towards the Muslims and had even attacked the Muslim community on several occasions. During one of these attacks, Juwayriya radhiyallahu anha was taken captive by the Muslims. After the battle, she was brought to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who freed her and offered to marry her. Juwayriya radhiyallahu anha accepted the offer, and her marriage to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam helped to establish peace between her tribe and the Muslims. Juwayriya radhiyallahu anha was known for her piety and her devotion to Islam. She was a skilled and knowledgeable scholar of the Quran and the Hadith. She passed away in the year 50 AH at the age of around 62. She is remembered as a pious and virtuous woman who devoted her life to the service of Allah and His Messenger. Born in Mecca in the year 614 AD, Habiba bint Abu Sufyan Radiallahu Anha was the daughter of Abu Sufyan Radiallahu Anhu, who was a prominent figure in Mecca and a fierce opponent of Islam during its early years. Habiba Radiallahu Anha was married to Ubaidullah ibn Jahash, who was one of the early converts to Islam and a close companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, when the Muslims migrated to Abyssinia, Ubaidullah apostatized and became a Christian, leaving Habiba Radiallahu Anha stranded in Abyssinia as a Muslim without a husband. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a proposal of marriage to her when he learned about this situation. The Negus, the ruler of Abyssinia and a Christian, agreed to the marriage and sent Habiba Radiallahu Anha to Medina to join Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Habiba Radiallahu Anha played an important role in the Muslim community during her marriage to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was known for her piety, her knowledge of Islam, and her generosity to the poor and needy. She passed away in Medina in the year 44 AH at the age of around 50. She is remembered as a pious and righteous woman who devoted her life to the service of Allah and His Messenger. Born in the year 610 AD in the tribe of Banu Nadir in Medina, Safiya bint Huyay Radiallahu Anha was the daughter of Huyay ibn Akhtab, a prominent Jewish leader in Medina. In the year 627 AD, the Muslims under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam besieged the fortress of the Banu Nadir tribe, which had broken their treaty with the Muslims. The tribe surrendered, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered to spare their lives if they left Medina. Safiya Radiallahu Anha was among the captives of this event. The Holy Prophet offered to marry her and free her from slavery, and she accepted the offer. She was known for her piety, her wisdom, and her devotion to Islam. She played an important role in the Muslim community during her marriage to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was also known for her generosity to the poor and needy. She passed away in the year 50 AH at the age of around 60. She is remembered as a pious and virtuous woman who devoted her life to the service of Allah and His Messenger. Born in the year 595 AD in Mecca, Maymuna Radiallahu Anha was the daughter of Harith ibn Hizn, who was the brother of the Holy Prophet's wife, Zainab bint
Khuzaymah
Radiallahu Anha. Maymuna Radiallahu Anha was married twice before marrying Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Her first husband died, and her second marriage was annulled. She married the Holy Prophet in the year 7 AH during the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Maymuna Radiallahu Anha was known for her piety and her devotion to Islam. She played an important role in the early Islamic community and was respected by both men and women. She was also known for her generosity to the poor and needy. She passed away in the year 51 AH at the age of around 76. She is remembered as a pious and virtuous woman who devoted her life to the service of Allah and His Messenger.